So tonight we're going to set up something very quick here. We're just going to set up some sample data here. This is the data displayed here, but we're actually going to set it up here in a clear collection, and we're going to walk through that. This is very helpful, for example, when testing an application, kind of playing with the app, kind of playing with some of the settings. It's a great way to do it, and it's very fast and very efficient. So stay tuned, and we're going to jump right to it. All right, so this is pretty simple. We're going to click on, we're going to open up a new app. Remember, we're just going to go to PowerApps, and we're going to just open up a new app. And once we get that app opened up, we need data, right? We need some sort of data in here. So we're going to create a collection. And to do that, we could do that here on the screen itself, screen one. We're going to do it right here on the app screen, okay? And so we'll go ahead and just click on the app screen there, and we want to make sure we select on start. On start is where we want to put this, okay? So let's go ahead and go back there. We're going to go to on start. Whoops. On the app screen, we're going to go to on start. There we go. And then we're just going to type in clear collect. And let's go ahead and just do this by the numbers here so it makes it a little easier for you to see. We'll expand that out. All right. So here you can see the screen, pretty simple, right? We're going to go to the app right here. Then we're going to click on start, and we're going to type in all of this code. So that's pretty much what we're seeing here. Notice here that we're defining the name of the field, event data. That's the name of the column, like you would have a column in any list or data set that you're using. And then we're just going to call date value, and we're going to put in a date here. Okay? And then we're going to call a time. We're going to put in a time here. And that's all. These are the two fields that we're going to use. Let's see what these fields look like. Oh, so before we go there, see, I'm getting ahead of myself. So we get all that in, no squiggly lines, we're good to go. Then we just go here and we click on here once and we say run on start. So that means it's just going to load these variables up for us. We can do that right now. I could show you, that's it. Pretty exciting. And then we're going to go ahead and look for this collection. So here it is right here under collections. Here it is right here. And it's a table with 4 rows. So let's go ahead and view that table. And then now you can see what it kind of looks like if you were to have a list, for example. You would see the data exactly like this, event data, event time. And that's exactly how this is columned out. And we did that just by using a clear collect. Pretty simple. I think you can do this. So enjoy. Good luck.